Today we're going to do the monster noise challenge. And yeah, so before not subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell, give a like, and now let's start. 10 seconds later. So now, hey guys, now that we came, you have to run. So let's start over. Hey, what's that noise, guys? What's that noise? Let's go find it. Where is it? Over here. Let me get behind the bed. Where is the noise coming from? The noise is coming from. Over here? No, it's not coming from here. Not here. Where is it? Slow. Nothing. This one. This one here. Here. Nothing here. What's with all the noise? Coming from? Where's the noise coming from? There, where is it? And here is it? What's in here? Nothing, right? Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Oh, 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 okay, now that's where's that noise coming from? Is it coming from the bird over there? Let's see. Oh, over here. Nothing's in here. There's like some mail here. Let's check in this cupboard over here. Let's see. Nothing's in this cupboard. There's some blankets in this cupboard. Nothing in this one. Nothing's in this one. Nothing's in this one. And there's just some nothing. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is really fun. First grade I done this. Or second grade I done this. Let's check in the other room. It doesn't even seem like it's coming. Not over here. This was the ghost room, guys. So in this room, where is that monster sound coming from? Where is it? Yes. Take it. Oh, it's over here. But this is... Yeah, but what's that? Ah, a ghost! Okay. That's the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, like, bye. Subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell, give a like, goodbye.